Good morning. So welcome to our short conversation about the upcoming Exceed Your Goals and Take Back Your Life workshop with Chris Smith and Mark Silverman. It's April 5th in Tysons Corner, and I have both of them with me today so I can ask a few questions to help you decide if this free workshop is a great fit for you. So Mark, what do you mean by exceed your goals and take back your life?
So Jen, thank you again for taking the time to do this video for us so we can actually help the people decide who's good for this workshop. By Exceed Your Goals, Take Back Your Life, it's geared towards the people specifically in the Washington, D.C. area who are running and gunning as fast as they can. They're checking off things on their to-do list. They're powering through. They will get to their goals, but they'll burn the candle at both ends to get there because they're committed to them. But they just don't know how to do it better. They'll buy time management tools. They'll use them for a week, and they'll go by the wayside because working harder is the best way to do it. By taking back your life, we're going to help you weed out the things that are sucking your energy and sucking your time so that you can focus on the things that matter. So you'll have actionable items when you leave to be able to actually hit that to-do list and get the most important things done first.
Well, I definitely know people like that. That sounds fabulous. Now, Chris, your focus is team leadership and team dynamics. What will the attendees walk away with from your part of the workshop?
Jen, thanks for asking that. I feel like most leaders struggle, just like we as leaders struggle with that balance between leading the way that we'd like to lead and the way that we feel like we have to lead. I feel like the more that leaders can lead the way that they want to lead, the more authentic they can be. And the more authentic they can be, the better chance they're going to have to connect and enable the types of people experience that lead to sustainable business outcomes. So we're going to try to send people away with some tips and some techniques and strategies to better enable those types of situations and those types of experiences for their people.
That's awesome. I love that. So Mark, it sounds like there are two parts to the workshop. Can you tell me how this integrates for the participants?
Yeah, that's a really good question. Now that Chris and I have done this workshop several times, we see the synergy between learning how to be a leader, whether you're on a team or you're leading an entire organization, and self-mastery, self-leadership, because you can't really lead a team until you can lead yourself. And then to be part of a team, that self-leadership so you can be the most effective that you can be. So this is a two-part process where you'll walk away with a couple of action items in each area to go experiment for the rest of the day.
I love how these integrate. So Chris, in your mind, who are the best people who should come to this workshop? Who's this a good fit for?
Yeah, I think that people and leaders who are really committed to the people experience, right? People who can find that right balance between what the organization demands operationally and what people really need aspirationally. I think those leaders who are ready to give their people the best possible conditions in which to perform, and the people who have kind of ambitions to lead in that way, those would be great participants for our workshop.
Yeah, and the truth is we committed the cardinal sin in marketing, and we didn't pinpoint accuracy the people we want for this workshop because we're all in the networking world, and we live by the adage that givers gain, that being of service. So this is a gift to the community, to our community. So it's really a broad range. Anybody from a person on a team to a leader of an organization will get tons of benefits out of this workshop.
That's awesome. So just as a reminder, the event is Exceed Your Goals, Take Back Your Life. And the workshop is with Chris Smith and Mark Silverman. Thank you both so much for sharing the details. And you can attend it April 5th in Tysons Corner. So I can't wait to see you guys there.
Thanks, Jen. Thanks, Chris. And the invite will be in the comments, so you'll be able to click on that, get your ticket, and show up.